What's up, goons? Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. Here's my social media. You can subscribe if you really want to. There's no promises that it'll be worth your time, but hey, whatever. Hi, pals. It's Friday, so we're opening a box because consistency matters. Like how I'm consistently annoying. This box is from Sole Supremacy. We took 2 weeks away from them. This is in a really good price range. I'm really happy about this one. This box is $825 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $875. Look, it's a counter. Follow along with that thing. Its name is Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then we're gonna take the perceived market value, put it up against how much I paid to see what the potential profit is towards the end of the video. Let's open the box and see what's going on in here. Y'all, I am not gonna lie, this like $800 range is perfect because there's never like a bunch of crap shoes and then one money shoe like there are in the $1,000 plus boxes. So these are always just gonna be consistently good, relatively easy to move shoes in this price range, I mean. So let's do this first. We got some kind of Nike box. It says it's an Air Presto Mid acronym in a size 10. That's pretty awesome. I am a huge fan of the Racer Pink acronyms, but these are the Volt ones. This one is actually really cool. It's a size 10. Are these dead stock? These are not dead stock, but I don't even know if the camera's gonna pick it up. There's no nipple loss on this entire thing. So these look like they've been worn once, maybe indoors. But anyway, yeah, these are as new as you can get without actually being new because the bottoms are just crazy lightly worn and the insoles are in good shape. These don't really have much value, but I love these. These things are comfortable as you know what. So there's your first shoe out, an acronym Presto Mid in the Volt colorway. Hey, if those shoes tickle your fancy and you want to buy them, you should check out my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find that website at sbmitch.com on the internet. Let's see, what do we got here? A size 10.5 Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. I saw the top and thought it might be a Union. Yeah, right, dude. No way. So this is a good pickup as well. No, these are worn. Okay, so these are super lightly worn. These are like the last ones too, but these are the Jeter 11 Lows. They have this like all suede upper, I think. I don't know. You got the number 2 on the back for Derek Jeter, famous baseballman. These are super, I mean, bottoms. Hard to tell. The only reason I could tell these are worn is because the sticker on the inside of the insole has a little bit of smudginess going on with it. But these are as close to dead stock as you can get without being a liar. So size 10.5, Jordan 11 Retro Low in the Jeter colorway. Dang, that's cool. Let's do this one. We got a Jordan 1 in a size US men's 10. These all seem to be from the same seller. So this is a not as super hyped Jordan 1, but this is the neutral gray, whatever they're called. These are in okay shape. You got suede leather and a bunch of other stuff on this shoe. Look at the bottom, it's very lightly worn. There's a little bit of star loss around the forefoot and a tiny bit of heel drag right there. But overall, these are in really great shape. These came out around the same time as the Turbo Greens. Turbo Greens obviously are doing much, much better on the secondary market, but this is still a good pickup. So size 10 Jordan 1 in the neutral gray colorway. Ah, an Under Armour, that sucks. Size 10 UA Curry 1. Oh, I spoke too soon. Okay, cool. So it's a replacement box, obviously. It is a Jordan 1. You can see right there on the tongue, Black History Month. This is the BHM Jordan 1s. I think they came out a couple years ago, maybe 2018 or 2017. This is a size 10 as well. So probably, again, the same seller. Very lightly worn, a little bit of outsole wear. Person took care of their shoes. A little bit of toe box creasing. I mean, it's a simple Jordan 1. Really can't complain about that because Jordan 1s are extremely wearable and these are in super good shape. Just a replacement box. Size 10 Jordan 1 BHMs. God, this box is awesome. 3 more in here still. It's an obvious Jordan 11. Got a size 10.5. Jordan 11 Retro. You can tell from the box. This is the Gamma Blue colorway. Insert is in good shape. Got the original inserts. Very good. There you go. Gamma 11s. These came out in like 2014 or 15. I want to say 15 because 14 was the Legend Blues. But these are super lightly worn. Whoop. Patent leather doesn't seem to have much creasing on it. A little bit outsole wear, some discoloration from age, obviously, but Insole is in pretty decent shape. I don't know if it's gonna pick up the Jumpman, but the Jumpman is in there. So these just need a quick cleanup and they'll be good to go. Size 10.5, great size. Gamma 11s. Cool. Looks like there's a Kobe something or other. A size 10 Mamba Rage. So these are super lightly worn too. These look like Grinch colorways. I'm sure it's what it is. So it's a Mamba Rage in the Grinch colorway. It's a size 10, right? Yeah. That little fuzz around the ankle is kind of cool. I never noticed that before. It's on the tongue liner too. These are super lightly worn. No drag. A little bit of dirt. Just needs a quick cleanup. But this is obviously pulling the colors from the super iconic Kobe 6 Grinch colorway, I guess. It is almost holiday time, so can't really complain about that. Size 10, Kobe Mamba Rage in the Grinch colorway. One more pair. It's a Jordan 4, I can tell by the box. Size 9.5, Air Jordan 4 Retro OG. Ooh. So this is the most recent release, the 2016 release of the Air Jordan 4 in the white cement colorway. There are rumors that this is retroing again in 2021. This is probably one of the most easily movable 4s I can imagine. Look at the bottoms. Hardly anywhere. There's no star loss on the forefoot. I mean, tiny bit of toe box creasing. These are in super good shape. There's no paint issues or anything. Says 9.5, Jordan 4 2016 white cement is your last shoe out. And there's a hang tag too. Dope. And that is an $825 Sole Supremacy beater box. Yeah, they're all worn, but they're all worn like a handful of times. This is an awesome box. I'm sure right now after you watch the breakdown that you'll see that my guess is pretty good. This is an awesome box. I haven't even looked yet at what the return on investment is going to be, but it's probably really good. So if you want to buy any of these shoes, they'll be on my website at 6 Eastern, sbmitch.com. Running out of breath because I'm very out of shape. Awesome box. Very happy with that. Sole Supremacy does the best job. There are other places that do good jobs, but Sole Supremacy is always the best. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate it. I will see you soon with some other kind of sneaker-related video, because that's what the channel does. Duh. Hey, have a good rest of your weekend. Remember to take care of each other and to make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.